Hizo basi ndiyo matokeo ya ligi kuu ya soka humu nchini. Mechi za leo ambazo zinapigwa, Sofapaka wanapiga dhidi ya Ulinzi Stars. Ni mechi ambayo tutakuwa tunakujuza jinsi matokeo yatakavyokuwa yanajiri. Gor Mahia bado wapo kidedea mwa jedwali la ligi ya SportPesa wakiwa na jumla ya alama 19. Tuachane na ligi hiyo sasa, tuangazie hasa mchezo wa triathlon ambako mashindano ya barani Afrika yaliandaliwa kule kaunti ya Kilifi. Na kunani Ismail Mungai kutoka Kenya ameibuka mmoja wa washindi wa mbio za relays katika mashindano ya triathlon ya kanda ya Afrika yaliyoandaliwa katika kaunti ya Kilifi. Mashindano haya ambayo yaliwaleta pamoja wanariadha chipukizi wa Kenya yanatarajiwa kuwa ngazi muhimu ya kufuzu kwa michezo ya Olimpiki mwaka ujao.
Today was a super tough race. Unfortunately I started the swim with about a minute gap to the leaders. So I was just chasing the whole way, and it made it fun, but really tough. I had a super good bike. I think that was the biggest difference that I made in the race, and I almost caught the Tunisian guy in front. And then I really had to push the first half of the run to try and get back to him. I caught him at the turnaround, put in a little attack to see if he would follow. He followed, and he attacked me a little bit. And then we all slowed down, I guess, expecting a sprint finish. And then as we came around the corner here, it started to wind up. And I don't really remember much of it, but at least I could see I got a gap quite quickly, so I could just try and enjoy it.
It got vizuri sana. Lots of struggle, but I pushed myself to the absolute limit. I think this was a very good race. I got to interact with the other Africans, which I was very proud of.
Imekuwa moto, hata nyinyi mmeshaona venye mambo imeenda pale. It was very competitive. So what we did ilikuwa ni combine countries. It was just having fun and getting the athletes to, get time to come together and enjoy the last event as a culmination of what was happening here.
And I'm very pleased to associate with triathlon sports. And I'm also very happy and feel endowed that this is the second time it is happening here at the Silver Palm Spa and Resort. There are many ways of creating events and attracting a following. This to us is a great initiative to bring people together, to see growth and development in tourism, sports tourism, and to also see many people flocking into this area.
Mashindano makubwa hayo ambayo